I need to take down some trees that have died, and I'm going to have to put a rope up in those trees and use that to pull them away from some structures, so as I cut them down. So I've made this, and the idea of it is it's got a spike on the end of it. You'll stick this in the ground like this. Stick it down in the ground, point this at whatever tree it is you're going to take down, and then when you launch your throw bag, you can throw this over. Launch your throw bag. This will be pass through that hole right there, and then it will feed effortlessly. This is 50-pound braid line that I've put on here, so it'll hold up to 50 pounds. So your throw bag will go up in the tree. You'll attach this to the rope that's you're going to pull up in there. You can pull a heavy rope in, and then you'll be able to pull that back. Now this reel I got off of Amazon. I got this braid off of Amazon. I'll list it in the description in case you're interested in making one of these. Probably nobody will be, but I'll make them available to you. Okay, let's get started making it. I'm working on the piece that'll go at the front that'll guide the line into the reel like this, because you got to have something to feed the reel at a straight angle. So I need to get this the right height, and what I'm aiming for is I want to get somewhat close to this but a little bit down. So yeah, I can do that. That's right on, but I'm going to drop down and I'm going to drill a hole right in here. Alright, so I've punched a little hole right there, and then another one right here. This will become apparent later. Now I'm going to drill this out to 1/4 inch. Alright, I'm going to crease that to 3/8. And this last hole, I'm going to drill it out to 1/8. Alright, now I need this hole to be smooth so it doesn't abrade my line. I've got a chamfer bit in here that I'm going to use to chamfer these edges over, and that'll just save me some filing. Alright, now I'm just taking a chainsaw file, and I'm just going to take a few minutes and I'm going to round these edges over. Now the last step, I'm just going to take a little piece of 220 emery cloth and run it in there. And there it is. I think that'll be plenty smooth enough. So I've made the spike, and I'm just going to insert it up in here, probably about that far, like that. I've just got this sitting here to kind of keep it level because it's sitting up on top of this, and we're just going to weld it up in there. Now this is galvanized, so you want to be in a well ventilated area. Alright, I think that's going to get that. Alright, so next I want to try to get this tacked in place. Alright, I think that's got that done. Now I'm going to take this over to the belt sander and I'm going to knock these sharp edges off. Alright, that's a little friendlier looking. Alright, so that's pretty much got it finished. I've got the reel put on here with some heavy zip ties. And then I've put some 50-pound test braid on here. You know, braid is much more flexible and lighter weight than monofilament, so that's what I'm using. Now if you remember that little hole that we drilled in the side right there, I'm going to use that to hold the line when we're not using it. That way when I pull it up, it'll stay tight like that and won't be a big mess. So in future videos I will use this. I'm going to do some videos on taking those trees out. So in the future I will show this in action along with a few other things we're going to make. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.